We're going to look at solving a word problem using a system of linear equations that are of the form Ax plus By equals C. So we have a party rental company with chairs and tables for rent. It says the total cost for 4 chairs and 8 tables is $73. So that will give us this resulting equation. And I just use C for chair, T for table. You can use X, Y, whatever makes you happy. The cost to rent 2 chairs and 3 tables is $28. So there's our equation for that. And we want to know what it is to cost, what the cost is to rent a chair and a table. So I'm looking at the system of equations, and I think the easiest thing to do here will be to solve by elimination. And so we can eliminate the C's most easily, right? We could eliminate T, but it would take a lot more work. So I could eliminate the C's if that 2C on the bottom was a negative 4C. So to make that happen, I need to multiply the bottom equation by a negative 2. So distributing that negative 2, there's my resulting equation. And I didn't do anything to the top equation, so it's just going to stay the same. And then remember here, what we're going to do is add these guys together. And so notice those 4 C's cancel out, which is the whole point, right? And then to solve for T, I need to divide both sides by 2. So a table is $8.50. Now that I know how much a table is, I'm going to plug it into one of those 2 original equations. It does not matter which one. I typically choose the one with the smaller numbers, right? So plugging that in. Now I know how much my T is, and I want to solve this for C. So I've got to multiply by 3, and then move the 2550, and 2C is $2.50, so C is $1.25. So a chair is $1.25, a table is $8.50. Let's look at another one. So here we have a fruit company delivering fruit in 2 types of boxes, large and small. If you have 7 large and 9 small, that's 157 kilograms. So there's our resulting equation there. If we have 5 large and 3 small, that's 89 kilograms. So now we have our system. We have 2 linear equations. And looking at this, it will be easiest to cancel out the S's, right? To get those to go away. And I'll be able to cancel them out as long as I multiply the bottom equation by a negative 3. So distributing that negative 3 to everybody on the bottom, right? And we didn't do anything to the top, so it's going to stay. And then we want to add these guys together. And when we add them together, our S's cancel. Divide both sides by negative 8 to solve for L. So the large box is $13.75. Now I'm going to take that L value and plug it into one of my original equations. It doesn't matter which one. I'm going to choose the bottom one because the numbers are smaller. So plugging in, doing the math, right? Move the 68.75. Now I have 3S. Divide by 3, and S is 6.75 kilograms. So the large is 13.75 and the small is 6.75. I hope you found this helpful.